B.R. Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, social reformer, and politician. He was born on April 14, 1891, in Mo, India. Ambedkar was a prominent leader of the Dalit community. He played a key role in drafting the Indian Constitution. Ambedkar's contributions to social justice are celebrated annually on Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar dedicated his life to advocating for Dalit rights. He fought against caste-based discrimination and untouchability. Ambedkar's struggles for equality inspired millions. His efforts led to significant social reforms in India. He remains an iconic figure for marginalized communities. Ambedkar chaired the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. His role was pivotal in shaping India's constitutional framework. Ambedkar ensured the inclusion of fundamental rights and social justice provisions. The Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1950. It laid the foundation for India as a democratic republic. Ambedkar was a brilliant scholar and earned multiple degrees. He pursued higher education in the United States and the United Kingdom. Ambedkar's academic achievements broke caste barriers. He later completed his doctorate in economics. Education was a tool he used to empower Dalits. Ambedkar led movements for temple entry and access to public resources. He advocated for the rights of Dalits in various spheres. Ambedkar's efforts culminated in the Pune Pact of 1932. His writings and speeches addressed social inequality. His activism laid the groundwork for legal reforms. Ambedkar's essay, Annihilation of Caste, is a seminal work. It criticized the caste system and called for its destruction. The essay was a powerful indictment of social hierarchies. Ambedkar's ideas on caste reform continue to resonate. It remains a vital text in discussions on caste in India. Ambedkar was the first law minister of independent India. He was appointed to the post in Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet. Ambedkar worked on drafting laws and reforms. His tenure saw the Hindu Code Bill and other landmark legislation. He resigned in 1951 over differences on the Hindu Code Bill. Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in 1956. His conversion ceremony in Nagpur attracted millions. Ambedkar embraced Buddhism as a path to liberation. He believed it offered an alternative to the caste system. His conversion inspired others to follow his path. B.R. Ambedkar's legacy is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti. His work laid the foundation for modern India's social justice policies. Ambedkar's influence extends to politics, academia, and activism. He is remembered as the architect of the Indian Constitution. His contributions to equality and justice are commemorated globally.